Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And recently I had made a video of my hubby sanding down the deck, the wood, because it was kind of like in bad shape. So now he's already done that, and now he got to the part where he's painting the borders and the rails and everything, and he hasn't painted these, but he did replace some of the wood. See the white wood? He replaced it, so it's gonna look like new once he paints over it. So right now he's over there, and I'm going to open the door, and I'm just gonna ask him how's it going and just see what he says. Okay, but if you can see along the rail there, it's really looking really nice because it gives it that fresh look. So anyway, let's open the door. He doesn't know I'm filming. How's it going?
Come here, I want you to hear something.
Huh?
Come here.
What?
I want you to hear something.
What?
What do you hear? Listen.
The dog barking.
No, other than that.
Truck?
Like a machinery.
Well, I don't know. They're probably doing some construction over there. So how's it coming out?
I know, it's good.
Good? It is coming out nice. It's gonna look like new. And you had a hard time matching that paint? Getting the right paint for it, or was it easy?
No, I got a sample first to make sure.
A sample first? Okay, well, it's looking good. I can't wait to see the whole thing, but if you need help, let me know, okay? Alright, let me know.
Yes.
Alright, so all this is going to be painted that same color. And I guess I'll make a video after it's done. Okay. Thanks for watching.